Hi, I'm Florin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's a short tutorial that covers some of the most common Linux commands. These commands are essential for navigating, managing files, and handling processes in a Linux environment. Raspberry Pi OS, formerly known as Raspbian, is a Debian-based operating system specifically designed for the Raspberry Pi, a popular single-board computer. Raspberry Pi OS is a great platform for both beginners and experienced users to learn and experiment with Linux. It comes pre-installed with essential software and tools, making it an ideal environment for learning Linux commands. Whether you're using Raspberry Pi OS on a Raspberry Pi device or in a virtual machine, these commands will help you efficiently navigate, manage files, and handle processes, laying a strong foundation for your Linux journey. Before diving into the next set of essential Linux commands, it's important to understand the terminal, one of the most powerful tools in any Linux environment. The terminal application is a command line interface CLI that allows you to interact directly with the operating system by typing commands. Unlike graphical user interfaces GUI where you click on icons and buttons, the terminal relies on text input, giving you direct control over your system. For users of Raspberry Pi OS or any other Linux distribution, the terminal is an indispensable tool. It enables you to perform a wide range of tasks, from navigating the file system and managing files to monitoring system performance and controlling processes. Using the terminal might seem intimidating at first, especially if you're accustomed to using a mouse to perform tasks. However, once you become familiar with it, you'll find that it's a highly efficient way to manage your system. The terminal gives you access to powerful commands that can automate tasks, manage resources, and troubleshoot issues, all with just a few keystrokes. In this tutorial, we'll continue by exploring essential Linux commands related to system information and process management. These commands will help you monitor your system's performance, manage active processes, and ensure your Raspberry Pi, or any other Linux-based system, is running smoothly. We will continue now with system information and process management. Managing system resources and processes is crucial for any Linux user. Command Top, display active processes. Use Top to monitor real-time system processes and resource usage. Command Top is a powerful command line utility in Linux that provides a real-time, dynamic view of the system's processes. When you run Top, it displays a list of all running processes, along with detailed information about CPU usage, memory usage, and system load. The processes are typically sorted by the amount of CPU they are consuming, making it easy to identify which processes are using the most resources. In addition to monitoring processes, Top allows you to interact with the list, such as killing processes or changing their priority, directly from the interface. It's an essential tool for system administrators and users who need to monitor and manage the performance of their Linux system. Command PS report a snapshot of current processes. PS, short for process status, is a command line utility in Linux that displays a snapshot of the currently running processes on your system. Unlike Top, which updates in real time, PS provides a static list at the moment the command is executed. The output of PS typically includes information such as the process ID, PID, the terminal associated with the process, the CPU time it has consumed, and the command that started the process. You can use various options with PS to filter and format the output, making it a versatile tool for monitoring and managing processes in a Linux environment. Terminate a process. Kill is a command line utility in Linux used to terminate running processes. When you execute kill, you provide it with the process ID, PID, of the process you want to stop. By default, kill sends the sigterm signal, which asks the process to terminate gracefully, allowing it to clean up resources before exiting. If a process does not respond to sigterm, you can use kill with the -9 option to send the SQL signal, which forcefully stops the process immediately. The kill command is a crucial tool for managing unresponsive or misbehaving processes in a Linux system. Disk space usage, DF. DF, short for disk file system, is a command line utility in Linux that provides information about the disk space usage on your system. When you run DF, it displays the amount of used and available disk space for each mounted file system, along with the total capacity. The output typically includes details such as the file system name, the size of the file system, how much space is used, how much is available, and the mount point, the directory where the file system is accessible. The H option is commonly used with DF to display the sizes in a human-readable format, for example, in MB or GB. This command is essential for monitoring and managing disk space, helping you ensure that your system has enough free space to function properly. Memory usage, free. Free is a command line utility in Linux that provides a snapshot of the system's memory usage. When you run free, it displays information about the total, used, and available memory, RAM, as well as swap space. The output includes details such as how much memory is currently being used by running processes, how much is free, and how much is cached by the system. The H option is commonly used with free to display the memory sizes in a human-readable format, for example, in MB or GB. This command is useful for monitoring memory usage, diagnosing memory-related issues, and ensuring that your system has adequate resources for running applications. Task Management GUI. The Task Manager in Raspberry Pi OS provides a user-friendly way to monitor and manage system processes without needing to use the command line. It displays a list of all running processes, along with details like CPU and memory usage for each process. You can easily view which processes are consuming the most resources and end any process directly from the interface. To access the Task Manager, you can usually find it under the Accessories menu in the Raspberry Pi OS desktop environment. This tool is especially useful if you prefer a GUI over command line tools like Top and PS for managing system performance and processes on your Raspberry Pi. Thank you for attention. Please like and subscribe,